that we mentioned earlier in the program, earlier in the last hour and 25 minutes, and already over 1,000 sets are gone. What is it? Well, it's 31 Days of Temptations, and it's one of the most popular combos we've done in quite some time in Temptations. This is the soup and sandwich set. This is Tara Teschner.
Hello.
Mwah, darling.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
I'm going to caution everybody right off the top. Pumpkin patch will not last. This is already super limited.
Okay.
So tell us about this set. Because we've got a lot of colors to talk about.
Yeah, so you have not seen the set in over a year. We debuted this last August in celebration of our Temptations days. You loved it, so of course we brought it back, and we brought back some of your returning favorites as well as new patterns. So soup and sandwich, 12-inch soup plate, which I love. Again, I love the silhouette of it. I love the teardrops here on each corner, and it just makes sense, right? Instead of getting all of your dinnerware out and all of your soup and sandwiches and all of that, you can have 2 plates, 2 bowls, that set the perfect meal. 16-ounce soup bowl with, of course, that cute little teardrop shape as well as that helper handle, David. They just make perfect sense when it's maybe just the 2 of you. You don't want to get all the dinnerware out. You just want something simple, portion control, tuck it away, and you're ready to go.
Now, I should tell you that for less than $25, you're getting an awful lot. If you're noticing that Easy Pay and saying, my goodness, that's a lot of Easy Pay. The reason for it, we're in the middle of a very special Easy Pay event.
Yes.
Between now and 4:59 p.m. Eastern Time, every item on air and online, 6 easy payments regardless of the credit card you use. Now, if you want pumpkin patch, I have 300 left.
Wow.
And then we're going to take it off the table. Remember, seasonal, when they sell out, it could be a whole nother year before we see it again.
Absolutely right.
That is if we see it again at all.
You're right.
Now, we're going to get into all of our choices. I will update you as we go. But bear in mind, if any of this sells out, we won't have this back this year, will we?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
So this is Fall Fetty is available. This is fall. This one is Harvest. 200 left in Harvest. This is Pumpkin, brand new today, 500 left. Pumpkin Patch is also brand new today. Boo Fetty.
I love that.
All right, 750
Can
left
I tip
in the
him
Boo
forward?
Fetty. Of course
Do
you may.
mind? Look at that with the little bats and all of that inside. Oh boy.
Okay.
Sound effects not included.
Not included. Those will cost you extra. All right, here it is in the floral lace eggplant. I've also got blue in floral lace.
That's also your eggplant in Old World.
Oh, that's eggplant.
It is.
Oh, you're right, it is.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, you would know, wouldn't you? All right, so that's the eggplant. Here it is in the floral lace red. Here it is in red in Old World. I see what's happening now. Then we've got it for you in the cranberry floral lace and cranberry Old World. Yeah, I'm a quick study, aren't I? Then we got it for you in black floral lace. Here's black Old World. This is chocolate, and this is brown Old World. Then we're going to take you into spice in the floral lace, spice in the Old World, green floral lace, green Old World, blue floral lace, 700 left there, and blue Old World. Light blue in the floral lace, 400 left there.
Wow.
And finally, Tara's favorite, the
this.
confetti,
I love
400 now left.
Really?
And
Wow.
2,000 of these are now. Pumpkin Patch just sold out.
Oh no.
So we're going to take Pumpkin Patch away.
And by the way, if you're picking up more than one set, look how easy they nest.
This is
Isn't
perfect.
that great?
And they
I
all
love
go into
that.
the dishwasher, into the microwave. Thank you, Brianna.
Yes, they do. Everything you've loved from Temptations still applies, so they still go in the dishwasher. I'm going to borrow him over here if you don't mind, the Harvest.
Yep.
They still go in the dishwasher, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer. And let's actually show you some ideas, okay? Is that all right?
What is the capacity of the bowl?
16 ounces on the bowl.
16 ounces.
Yep, this is your Harvest that you're looking at here. 12 inches on your plate.
So if you're doing like those big chunky canned soups
Yes.
that are about 16 ounces, they'll fit in here.
They will fit perfect. Designed, of course,
Yeah.
for the ease of all of that. All right, so
Okay.
let's talk about this. Ready?
Now, I do want to say in Harvest,
Yes.
5 dozen, all I have left.
Sorry.
2,500 have now been ordered.
You
We're
were
very,
asking
very
if
busy.
they will be back. The Harvest patterns will not be back this year. Okay, now I know this is one of your faves.
French onion soup.
French onion soup.
Best soup on the planet.
Gorgeous ounces. And here is why it was created. A soup and sandwich, a soup and Sammy, I love to call it, right? You have your sandwiches, you have your soup, you have the perfect meal. You're not getting out paper plates that we spend a fortune on because they're decorative. You're not having to get down all of your fancy dinnerware, cookware. You're using these pieces and they just make it easy and they're just smart. Our soup and sandwiches are always super popular. We don't always carry them, but when we start coming into fall and we're talking about comfort foods and kind of those traditions that we love, this is the perfect way. Are you taking that away?
Harvest just sold out. All right.
How are we doing on Buffetti? Can I take Buffetti out?
Is Buffetti
good,
okay?
good.
You wanna do
Buffetti's
Buffetti?
okay. Good, because
go.
I want
Thanks,
to brag on this plate because it's so cute. Look at how adorable the Buffetti plate with your little cobwebs. Of course, you have your purple bats here and all of those individually hand painting all the way around. And that teardrop shape, David. Again, it would have been simple to do an oval or a regular rectangle, but with Temp-tations, you're always expecting it to look like your fine china, but to perform day in and day out like you're everywhere.
Can I tell you that we are very, very busy, so utilizing QVC.com and your mobile app will be the best way to get through. 3,500 of these are now gone.
Thank you.
If you want Buffetti, I have 400 left. Let me take you through the other choices. Buffetti. All right, this is your Fallfetti.
Yes, so many people on our chat have been asking us about the Fallfetti. We don't have it in all of our collections, but we do have it in our soup and sandwich.
I have fewer than 500 in that.
Okay.
Here's Floral Lace Fall. Kind of a goldenrod color, beautiful.
Yes.
Here it is in Floral Lace Pumpkin. $375, and that one's brand new today. Here it is in Eggplant Floral Lace, Eggplant Old World. Red Floral Lace.
Love.
And Red Old World. Cranberry Floral Lace, Cranberry Old World. Down below is Black Floral Lace and Black Old World. This is chocolate and Brown Old World. Then I'm taking you through Spice in Floral Lace, Spice in Old World, Green in Floral Lace, Green in Old World, Blue in Floral Lace. I have 500 left in that Blue Floral Lace. There's Blue Old World. And beside that is, I was going to say Carolina Blue. The light blue in the Floral Lace.
And my face.
And then finally the confetti.
Look at that.
150 left in confetti.
Wow.
Now, Terry, you said none of the harvest colors will be back this year.
Correct.
Will we have any of the other colors back this year?
We may be able to get back into it. I'm not 100% sure.
Well, and you know what? In case there's any doubt,
so
just don't miss it now.
Exactly. Full disclosure.
4,500. Because you know what, guys? As much as we love summer, let me paint a little picture here.
Yes, do it.
Starts to get a little chill in the air, crunch of the leaves under our feet. We're probably wearing light jackets in early fall, and we come in and we're just thinking, you know, it's supposed to get down like into the low 40s tonight. Why don't we make a fire?
Yes.
And then we're like, what are we having for dinner? Why don't we do like soup and grilled cheese sandwiches? Right?
I love that.
So you put this really great pot of soup on, and everybody's coming around and walking around the house in their sock feet. We're wearing long sleeves, maybe sweatshirts.
Yes.
And then you just kind of, you know, pile up in the TV room, around the TV and the fireplace, and you enjoy soup and sandwich.
So
it's
easy.
just a nice night,
It's
isn't
a
it?
tradition, right? And even
Love
down
it.
in front, we did mac and cheese for the kids and chicken nuggets, David. Now, so what's nice about that, you don't have to get out that metal cookie sheet to cook those nuggets. Put them right on that plate, put them right in your oven up to 500 degrees, and you're good to go. Baking in here. What we love about it, individual desserts at 16 ounces. Look at the cake we were able to make, and then you can go ahead and ice it or dress it. These are the traditions that we always look forward to. And speaking of a tradition we always look forward to, I am going
Peeling
to
the cheese off the side of the
that.
thing,
You
soup.
know my mother is here for her birthday visiting. We'll see her a little later. She makes her famous.
Oh, I
her
guess I've had these. Cream
cheesecake.
cheese,
cinnamon
cinnamon.
roll-ups. And I want you to have a bite because we put the recipe up on our Facebook page today in honor of her birthday.
Is it super hot?
Of course it's super. Well, it's probably not that hot, only because the oven's only at about 300. But these are her cinnamon stick roll-ups, and they are amazing. And the
Hot like
recipe,
lava.
talking about traditions, talking about fall, cinnamon, delicious, right? I mean,
Really good.
we need to get Jimmy the baker to figure out how to make these. Just saying. Just saying. See? 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 I mean, I know what's up.
Gail, nice job on those.
I love these.
This is gone.
Oh, fine.
Buffetti's gone.
Do we still have Fallfetti?
I hope. Sean, do we still have Fallfetti?
We do. He whispered yes.
Oh, see, he's talking to you and not me.
Well, you know,
Okay.
he's hoping for a cinnamon stick.
Well, he keeps this up, and I'm going to eat them both. All right, 6,000 are now gone. This is Fallfetti. From there, we're going to go through this at a pretty good clip. This is Floral Lace Fall, pumpkin, 200 pumpkin.
Wow.
This is eggplant in Floral Lace Old World. This is red, Floral Lace Old World. Cranberry, Floral Lace Old World. Black, both are available. Chocolate, brown in the Old World. Spice in both patterns. Green in both patterns. Blue in most patterns. Blue how many? 200.
In Floral Lace.
Blue Old World, light blue Floral Lace, and confetti's gone.
Oh, no.
All right. All right. Sean, we'll send up one of those little cream cheese little pieces of heaven.
Adore you.
I adore you more.
I'll be back
I'm
with
gonna
the
see you
glass
later.
storage.
We're going to check in with Stacey Lou, see what's happening.
Okay, save me one of Gail's amazing signature sweets.
You know what? Bring
okay?
her the one that I was snacking